What's going on, guys? Let's have a little chat about the potential of a JASMY ETF out in Hong Kong or Japan. Sorry. So, quick look over at JASMY, guys. Pumping today, up 8.4%, back up to 1 cent 94. Looking good, guys. $958 million market cap, 46 million in trading volume. Looking good, guys. Looking good. Whole market looks good. JASMY obviously looking good. Up 4 spots today to 87th in terms of rank. Remember the days where we couldn't even get close to 100 in rank? Now we're like always in the top 100. Love to see it. Absolutely love to see it, guys. So, anyways, guys, let's get into this a little bit. So, CEO of Hong Kong Bitcoin ETF issuer Harvest wants to put the ETF on Stock Connect so mainland Chinese investors can buy it. This would be huge. Now, I talked about this yesterday, I believe it was. Guys, the ramifications of this are absolutely enormous, right? Absolutely enormous. And I believe that with the momentum behind these Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs out in Hong Kong and in Asia, they also have the ETF, the Bitcoin ETF, launching next month in South Korea as well, guys. So, which is no small deal, right? That's huge too. Now, in saying this, guys, the fact that JASMY is based in Japan, right? And the East does tend to support its, how do I word it? Its own companies, right? Companies and stuff like that. And yes, like Korea and China and Hong Kong and Japan are all different, but nonetheless, they support their companies out in the East more than they would support one coming from the West, so to speak, as opposed to, right? So, in saying that, guys, there is a lot of connections between Hong Kong and Japan, mainland China, and South Korea. Again, I believe that we're going to see a JASMY ETF in Japan probably first. And why wouldn't you? I mean, it's a legally regulated crypto. They're looking to pass a bill right now, legislation right now in Japan, so VCs can buy it, right? That should be coming in the very near future as well. So it's only logical for these steps to continue progressing forward, right? For JASMY to grow as a company as well. I think we will eventually see JASMY being a global ETF, to be honest with you, right? And when I first thought about this, I was kind of, speculative, and I was kind of like, well, I don't know. The more I really think about it, guys, if it starts in the East, right, which obviously it would have to, and it likely will, right? Then I could definitely see a snowball effect. We just talked about the fact that JASMY opened up a new partnership with C2E in South Korea, right? Opening that door to 4 million users on the PDL. So it's not out of the realm of being possible to see an ETF. All it's going to take, guys, this is what it's going to take. One of these hedge funds, one of these asset managers, all it's going to take is for one of them to fill out the proper paperwork to apply for one. That's it. That's all it's going to take, right? Unfortunately, JASMY can't do it themselves as a company, but you can get one of these asset managers, right, to apply for one, fill out the proper documentation, and apply for a JASMY ETF. Maybe we need to start hinting to Hara that they need to, give maybe Ondo needs to give a little elbow bump over, hey, what's going on, man? ETF, fill it out, right? Something like that. You know what I'm saying? But Ondo is a very connected man out there. So it's very possible, very exciting concept, guys. Do you know how much money we would see pour into it? We're already looking at VC money starting to pour into JASMY in the next couple of months when they pass their legislation to allow VC money to start buying into digital assets. Again, they have stressed that their targets are going to be legally compliant projects, and JASMY is the only legally compliant project out there right now. So we're going to stay on top of it, guys, but very interesting stuff to kind of, throw at the wall, and let's see what happens. Let me know what you guys think. Are we going to see a JASMY ETF in the future? Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, guys. Click the join button. Become a VIP member of the channel. Get members only live streams on Sundays. You get all kinds of help with your portfolio, all that stuff. Or join the Patreon for all that. Plus, you get like my portfolio breakdowns over on the Patreon. We have Patreon only content. I actually uploaded another Patreon video today. So you definitely, for a gem, you definitely want to check that out, guys. Because we show micro cap gems and stuff, projects you can get into very, very early and make a lot of money getting into them early. So definitely check that out. And yeah, just click the join button or join the Patreon for that. Follow me on X, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.